Hi there, Dr. Jake here from Chiropractic First of Rockford. And today I'm actually going to talk about why, as chiropractors, do we get adjusted? And the fact is we have ailments just like everybody else. And the thing is, we need to keep up. And the best way to do that is to obtain objective data to see how to correct those underlying issues that might pop up. All of us are vulnerable in some way. We have weak links that we need to address. And at any given time, there's going to be specific things that we're going to need to do to be able to not just address it, but correct it. And so just to give you a little background, I played sports all my life. I got my first adjustments in my late 20s. And then became a chiropractor, at least pursued my chiropractic career shortly after that. One thing that ailed me was hip and knee pain. Playing basketball, playing baseball for years, compounding the small little micro injuries that I had really did take a toll, and I needed to do something. And so a friend of mine told me about getting adjusted and what that might do to be able to decrease my day-to-day discomfort because I still want to be active. And I was only in my 20s, right? So I had to figure out what would happen if I didn't do anything. And I turned 35, 40, 45. How would that relate to my quality of life? And so the first thing that the chiropractor did is took x-rays. And that allowed me to see personally where my weak links might lie. So even though I went in with knee pain, what they found was I had hips that were off and also rotated. I also found curvature in my spine and pinching in the bottom portion of my low back. Now, these are recent x-rays of me, so I'm showing off my weak links to you in this video. But this is also the improved version as well. So what they found at my original x-rays, which is well over a decade ago, was that left hip was dropped considerably, almost a whole inch, and also rotated back. And so I was realistically walking like this. That was my normal. And then compounding that with playing sports, aggressive sports at that, I was compressing everything. And so my weak link was definitely exposed, was on that left side. You could see even today, I still have minimal spacing that can be pinched. This is why I get adjusted on a weekly basis, is to be able to prevent and maintain my quality of life. Now, because my hips were dropped on that left side, that was creating angulization and twisting in my knees, which caused my knee pain. But the truth of the matter, it wasn't my knee. My knee is just a hinge joint. It was the rotation due to the hips being off and some of the decreased mobility in my low back that was causing my discomfort. Now, I could have tried all different types of exercises, trying to figure what was being exposed, but it wasn't until I went into the chiropractor and got objective data that allowed me to make the correction. And so if you're having some of these issues, whether you're maintaining an active lifestyle or you have chronic discomfort that's limiting and decreasing your ability to do your daily activity, then I suggest come in. Let's get you checked. Let's see where the weak links are, and let's figure out a game plan to correct it. At Chiropractic First, we're here for you. We have a great team to be able to pour into you. Let's increase your quality of life. Let's look out for your older self. Guys, talk to you soon.